Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing and in-depth review video. Today, we will be unboxing and reviewing the highly anticipated Xiaomi 14 Pro. Let's dive right in. As we open the box, we are greeted with the stunning Xiaomi 14 Pro, featuring a sleek and modern design. It comes with a charging cable and a fast charger. The phone feels comfortable in hand, thanks to its slim profile and premium build quality. Moving on to the display, the Xiaomi 14 Pro boasts a large 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display. The colors are vibrant, and it's come with 3000 nits peak brightness. It's come with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, this phone is a powerhouse. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4nm, processor, coupled with 12 and 16 GB of RAM combination. The performance is smooth and responsive, allowing for seamless multitasking and gaming. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi 14 Pro on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 32-megapixel sensor. The Xiaomi 14 Pro runs HyperOS, is based on Android and packs 256 GB of inbuilt storage. The battery life of the Xiaomi 14 Pro is exceptional. It packs a 4880 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. The Xiaomi 14 Pro supports wireless charging, as well as proprietary fast charging. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 14 Pro impresses with its design, performance, camera capabilities, and overall user experience. If you're looking for a high-end smartphone at a more affordable price point, this could be the perfect device for you.